Hi, welcome to another video brought to you by Autowave. In this video we're going to be unboxing the XTool H6 Pro EU version. Now this is available from autowave.co.uk and is a high-end diagnostic key programming and odometer correction device. So let's see what we get inside the box. So we get a sturdy carry case in the normal XTool design. Just stick that down there. And if I clip it open, let's see what is inside the case. So I'll start on this side over here. We get the certificate of quality, the packing list, and a very basic user manual. We also get inside our cable connector. This will be used to connect the OBD plug to the device, or sorry, OBD plug to the VCI, which I'll come to in a second. We also get the VCI, which stands for Vehicle Communications Interface. As you can see here, it's got a serial number and it says VCI Plus. You have a cable port at the top, which is where this would connect to, and you do also have another cable at the bottom in case you do need to connect it to the device. Again, I'll come to that in a moment. You also have on this side the Mazda 17-pin adapter and the Bmw 12-pin adapter. If we just carefully take the device out, as you will see, it has a really nice 11-inch touchscreen. On the top you have the power connector, sorry, the power button, a power connector, a 15-pin D connector, and you have another port here which is USB, and another port which looks like a HDMI style port. On the back you have a camera. Obviously it's got the serial number on the back as well. Now if you notice that the serial number on the back of both of them is the same because they are matched devices. You also have the little connections at the bottom because there is a tabletop cradle charger available. So that's the device. Now if we open up this side, let's see what we get as our accessories. So as you may know, that some vehicles don't have a normal OBD 16-pin adapter. So we have the Fiat 3-pin. We have what's written on there, self-test, but what that actually does is it's the female end of the plug, which is used for certain functions. We have the BMW old style connector, Toyota 17-pin connector, Honda 3-pin, let's put that back there, the Kia Hyundai 10-pin, the Suzuki 3-pin, the Kia 20-pin, and we also have the Nissan 14-pin. So now let's see what other cables we have inside the box. We have a USB connector, which is for connecting the device to the computer. Let's go to this one as well. So we also have the USB connector here, which has got a USB male and female, and it also has another 9-pin connector. I'll show you what some of these do shortly. You've got the OBD 16-pin and the Mitsubishi 1216, because this would have to be used in line. We have the power adapter. Very important to use a power adapter supplied with the device. We've also got some clips with a cigarette lighter socket, and here we have the old style VAG connectors, and then also there are some vehicles that require you to pin out, so you've got those connectors there. Usually, well, that's for like a universal style, and usually on this double pin style connector is usually used on your old Citroens for K-line connection. So if we look at the device itself and how to connect it, we have our OBD 16-pin connector. We would connect this main cable, and it's written on there main cable, to the VCI. This would then connect to the vehicle, and the tablet would wirelessly connect to this VCI. Now sometimes when you're carrying out programming functions, it's not advisable to connect using a wireless connection. So in this instance, you would actually use the connector on the top to connect to the VCI. So you'd connect the 9-pin connector here to the USB connector here. As you'll find with some other devices that are also on the market, it's easy to connect it the wrong way. With the XTool device, there's only one way to connect it, so it makes it a little bit easier. You'll also find that you have this connector. Now this connector is a Bmw Programming Cable, so it's used for BMW coding. So what you would do is you would connect this to the OBD port, and then this to the XTool. So that's what you get inside the box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like our videos. This is available on autowave.co.uk, the UK distributor for XTool products. Thank you.